In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone an existing form from a URL using Jotform. This is a helpful technique for when you want to replicate a form without starting from scratch, allowing you to save time and keep a consistent design across your projects. Stick with me as I guide you through this straightforward process. First things first, head over to jotform.com and sign in with your credentials. If you don't already have an account, it's quick and easy to set one up. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in your personal workspace where all the magic happens. Now locate the My Forms page, which is essentially your control center for everything you've created or plan to create. Next up, we need to initiate the creation of a new form. To do that, look for the Create Form button. It's usually perched in the upper left corner of the page if you already have forms in your account. However, if this is the very first form you're making, you might find the prompt more centrally located. Click on that and you're ready to proceed. Now that you're in the form creation phase, you'll be presented with a few options. What we're interested in is the import form option, which allows you to bring an external form into your Jotform account. Once you've selected that, an additional set of choices will appear. From these, you need to select from a web page. Here's where the cloning part truly starts. You'll be prompted to enter the URL of the form you want to clone. Make sure you copy the correct URL from your original form and paste it into the Enter URL field. Double check for any typos or missing segments to ensure the process runs smoothly. After you've entered the URL, go ahead and click Create Form. This action initiates the cloning process, transforming the form from that URL into one of your own. Jotform will work its straightforward magic to duplicate the form's structure and contents as closely as possible. The final step is where your creativity can come back into play. Once the cloning process is complete, the form will open in Form Builder. This tool is your workspace to make any tweaks or adjustments needed to fit your specific requirements. You can change anything from the layout and settings to customizing questions or adding new design elements. When you're satisfied with your cloned form, all that's left to do is hit Publish, and your form is ready to share with the world. And there you have it. You've successfully cloned a form from a URL using Jotform. With this skill, duplicating forms to enhance your workflows has never been easier. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next video.